We live in a universe of energy. Everything around us, including your thoughts, emotions, and actions, emits a unique frequency. When I talk about raising your vibration, I refer to the process of raising this frequency to resonate with positivity, love, and higher consciousness. But as with any transformative journey, there are pitfalls and challenges that you must be aware of. Here are 5 things you should know to ensure that your path to raising your vibration is both fulfilling and transformative. You will no longer be interested in certain things. Change is a natural part of life. But when you consciously work to raise your inner self, these changes become more profound. As your vibration rises, you'll find that the world around you starts to shift in response. As you grow, certain things will feel out of sync with your new self. Some friendships and relationships, which once felt just right, might now seem out of place. The job you once loved might not fulfill you anymore. Habits that were second nature, like smoking or negative self-talk, will start to feel wrong. This is because you're tuning into a different frequency, one that's more aligned with your true self. This process can be challenging. It's never easy to leave behind familiar things. But with this growth comes a newfound clarity. You'll start questioning things, seeking deeper meanings. Why do certain things no longer fit into your life? Why do you feel disconnected from old routines and beliefs? This introspection often leads to what many describe as a spiritual awakening, a realization that there's more to life than meets the eye. You'll start to see that we aren't just humans wandering aimlessly. We're souls on a profound journey. Some of us are still in a deep slumber, while others, like you, are waking up to life. With this awakening comes a deeper understanding of life's mysteries. You'll develop interests that might have seemed out of character before, perhaps in meditation, mindfulness, or other spiritual pursuits. And yes, people around you might not understand. They might see your changes as strange or worrisome. Some might even think you've lost your way. But in your heart, you'll know that you've never been clearer about who you are and what you seek. While it's natural to wish for everyone to see life the way you do, it's essential to remember that every person is on their own unique journey. Just as you needed time and experience to reach where you are, so do they. Instead of judging or feeling frustrated, embrace compassion. Understand that everyone's path is distinct, and all you can do is shine your light, hoping it might guide someone else too. You will journey through light and shadow. Life is made of contrasts. Just as there's day, there's night. In your spiritual journey, embracing the light is vital, but understanding the darkness is equally crucial. Just because you feel light around doesn't mean the shadow disappears. The shadow remains, patiently waiting for your attention. The shadow represents the hidden parts of you, the aspects you might be hesitant to acknowledge, the feelings you push away, and the memories you suppress. They're like those fearsome tales of monsters lurking in the dark. But remember, once you shine a light on those monsters, they often turn out to be not so fearsome after all. Shining light on your shadow is transformative. It might be initially unsettling to confront those hidden facets of yourself. But with time, you'll find solace in understanding them. Recognizing these hidden patterns ensures you don't fall into the same pitfalls over and over. It helps in letting go of outdated narratives and beliefs that no longer serve your growth. Think of it this way. Imagine being in a dark room, searching for the switch. It's a bit daunting at first, but the moment you find the switch and light floods the room, everything changes. The mysteries are revealed. Similarly, the true essence of your shadow can only be understood when you decide to confront and illuminate it. As you grow spiritually, the darkness won't intimidate you anymore. Instead, you'll find peace in diving deep into it, exploring its depths. Sitting in meditation, you'll face these shadows head-on, listening to their whispers, understanding their origins, and letting them go. This process, though challenging, is incredibly freeing. It clears the clutter from your mind, allowing creativity, love, and positivity to take root. Continued dedication to this process, often called shadow work, will refine your ability to monitor your thoughts. Those moments of self-doubt, criticism, or negativity. You'll tackle them with grace, recognizing them for what they are and choosing not to be defined by them. Remember that both light and shadow are essential for growth. By understanding and embracing both, you evolve, becoming a more grounded, aware, and enlightened soul. Celebrate this journey, for it shapes you into the best version of yourself. You see the masculine and the feminine energy. Life is filled with dualities, opposing forces that exist side by side. You'll see it everywhere, in the balance of yin and yang, the water and fire, the contrast of darkness and light. It's in the nurturing love of a mother and the protective care of a father. The radiant energy of the sun balances the calming glow of the moon. Everything exists in pairs, like two sides of a coin, each incomplete without the other. This duality exists within you too. You'll discover that you're not just a single note, but a harmony of two. While society may label attributes as masculine or feminine, in reality, each one of us carries both energies inside. You are not limited by these labels. You are a blend of both. Both of these energies have their own unique strengths, and both are crucial for your well-being. The masculine might give you the drive, ambition, and assertiveness, while the feminine brings intuition, empathy, and compassion. One is not better than the other. They complement each other. When you truly embrace this, you unlock a new level of self-expression. You'll find freedom in expressing both these energies without holding back or feeling the need to fit into a box. This means you can be both strong and sensitive, both a leader and a listener, both independent and nurturing. It's like finding harmony in a song. When both notes, the masculine and the feminine, are played together, they create a melody that's richer and more beautiful than either could produce on their own. So, cherish both these energies within you. Let them flow, intertwine, and create the unique masterpiece that is you. In doing so, you'll find a deeper connection with yourself and the world around you, knowing that you are a perfect blend of strength and softness, action and introspection. Celebrate this balance and let it inspire you to live authentically and wholly. Never-ending journey of self-discovery. Life isn't about reaching a final destination. Many people think that once they achieve a certain goal, like enlightenment, they've arrived. But that's not how it works. Saying you've reached enlightenment can sometimes mean you're missing the point. True growth and understanding mean recognizing that there's no end point. The journey is continuous. Life keeps moving, and so do you. You never stop learning, discovering, or evolving. Every day offers a new lesson, a new adventure, a new perspective. Imagine climbing a mountain and thinking the peak is the final destination. But once you get there, you see even more peaks and valleys beyond. That's life. Just when you think you've understood it all, life throws something new your way. And that's the beauty of it. It's true. Sometimes you might feel on top of the world, like you've grasped a moment of pure clarity and understanding. That's a wonderful feeling. But then, there might be days where everything feels heavy and you're surrounded by doubts and fears. And that's okay. Both moments are equally important in your journey. Raising your vibration or seeking a higher state of consciousness isn't about reaching a permanent state of bliss. It's about embracing every experience, good or bad, and learning from it. It's about understanding that highs and lows are part of the journey. They shape you, mold you, and push you to become better. So when you think about your path, don't get fixated on an end goal or a final state. Instead, focus on the journey itself. Appreciate every moment, every lesson, every challenge, and every breakthrough. Remember, it's not about where you end up, but who you become along the way. Embrace the journey, cherish the experiences, and celebrate the ever-evolving masterpiece that is you. Staying grounded. While meditation can often feel like a beautiful escape, lifting you to serene and peaceful places, it's crucial to remember your connection to the real world. Your body is your anchor, your vessel, holding you in the present, keeping you connected to the earth. When you connect with your body, embracing your core energies and grounding yourself, there's a sense of power and balance. It's like planting your feet firmly on the ground, even when the wind is strong. Getting lost in thoughts and dreams can be like floating among the clouds. It's dreamy and whimsical, but sometimes it can make things feel foggy or unclear. That's why it's essential to come back, to feel the solidity of the ground and the rhythm of your heartbeat. While dreaming and visualizing are important, they're only one part of the equation. Dreams without action remain just that, dreams. To truly transform and grow, it's vital to align those dreams with concrete actions. When you act on your visions, you start molding and shaping your reality, evolving into the person you aspire to be. Without taking steps to make those dreams a reality, it's easy to get lost in them, becoming stuck in a world of what-ifs. It's like endlessly chasing rainbows without ever reaching the pot of gold. So as you journey through life, let your dreams guide and inspire you, but remember to stay connected to the here and now. Act, grow, transform, and always stay grounded, knowing that the balance between dreams and reality is where the true magic happens. If you are still here, please share your thoughts in the comments section. I would love to read them all. I would also love to learn from you. May the divine God always guide and bless you in your journey. I wish you a wonderful day.